like to point out something. We're replacing these fascias prior to doing a roof, which some roofers do not do, but Mr. Happy House does, because Mr. Happy House does roofing and Hardie siding and Hardie trim and fascia, Soffit. And here's what we're replacing. Cardboard fascia. It's rotted or got water damage. Bugs love it. You could see that ant, carpenter ant. Well, here's the difference. This is cardboard, see? And this is Hardie. Hardie doesn't rot. Lasts a long time. They have a 15-year warranty on it. There you go.